Today is the day we finally do the dunk tank challenge.
The time has come, Project Zorgo. Let's see what you get. Prepare yourself, Project Zorgo. You're about to meet your maker.
See what the Game Master's gonna get. Are you ready, Game Master?
Yo, what is up my savage army? Welcome back to my channel. That is right guys, today is the day we finally do the dunk tank challenge. I know I've been saying it forever, and I told you guys before the reason I didn't do it was because the weather was pretty bad, so I actually decided to do it indoors. If that's not savage, I don't know what is. But anyways guys, we're going on another round of the Game Master versus Project Zorgo. They've been going head to head doing different challenges as you guys know, and it's about to get messy today. So here's how it's gonna go. They're gonna throw a dice, and whoever gets the lowest number actually has to sit on the dunk tank, and they have to take turns after that. This challenge is about who has the better aim and who's better at throwing. So we're about to find out today guys, but before I actually get started, I want all the certified savages out there to smash that like button, show me your certified savage support, and to the other people watching, go ahead and subscribe right now, turn on your post notification bell to stay tuned for relevant content like this. Anyways guys, I'm about to switch to the other camera. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm curious to see who's gonna win this challenge, so let's see how it goes.
The dunk tank. The day has finally come, Project Zorgo. The day where you get clowned.
What makes you so confident that you're gonna win?
Well, Project Zorgo, little did you know, the Game Master is a pro. The Game Master used to be a pitcher in baseball, which means you are doomed.
Why are you that close to me? You can tell me this from over there.
Mark my words, Project Zorgo, the Game Master will win. Is it gonna be egg, pool, pee-pee, or will it be flying? Water? Why would you put water? I don't want to throw water at Project Zorgo.
Don't be too confident. It could be you getting one too.
We shall see, Project Zorgo. How nervous are you?
I'm not nervous at all. You're the one who should be nervous. Project Zorgo's abilities go beyond hacking. We are experts at throwing.
Shut up, Project Zorgo. Mark my words. You will lose.
Shut up, Game Master. You talk too much. Let's go. One of us has to roll this dice.
If you end up losing, don't come here crying to me.
You're the only one who's gonna cry. You always lose these challenges. And out of every challenge, what have you gained? The only thing that you gained was a bigger ego.
Let's get started. Rock, paper, scissors, Project Zorgo. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. Go ahead, Project Zorgo. Go take a seat.
First, you have to roll the dice, and whoever gets the lowest number has to go sit over here.
I knew that. Give me that dice, Project Zorgo. Let's get a 6, baby. Let's get a 6. The Game Master got a 6. Game Master always wins. The Game Master gets whatever he wants.
Except Rebecca Zalolo. Step aside, loser. I know I'm gonna beat you.
You lose, Project Zorgo. Go have a seat.
No! This isn't over, Game Master. I can still win.
Yeah, go have a seat, Project Zorgo. Have a seat.
Hey! That's what you mean?
You just got fooled by the Game Master. Now go have a seat, Project Zorgo.
Curse you, Game Master. I won't forget this.
Now you can't see what I'm gonna get. What will fall on Project Zorgo?
Well, what did I land on?
Don't worry about it.
Come on, Game Master. Just tell me what it is. BZ won't know.
BZ, Project Zorgo tried to cheat. They tried to cheat. They're cheating.
Wow, you're such a tattletale. Give me a hint on what it is.
Let's just say it's disgusting. told you, Project Zorgo. I used to be a pitcher on a baseball team. You will lose, ha ha ha.
Oh my god!
Are you ready, Project Zorgo? This is the moment I've been waiting for, ha 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 ha.
No. I thought you used to be a pitcher at a baseball game, loser!
How could this be? Hey, I need a warm-up, you don't have to go again.
Oops, that's not the rules! You only get to go one time. Now step aside, loser! It's your turn to have a seat.
No, I'm not gonna do it. Busy, I refuse to. I need another turn. The Game Master does not accept this.
This is the only way, Game Master.
No.
Are you ready, Game Master?
Hey, shut up, I'm glad just do it. No, Busy, no. I hope you have terrible aim. I really do. No, Busy,
Let's see what the Game Master's gonna get. Hey, no cheating!
Go ahead, Project Zorgo. You're not gonna get anything anyway. It's probably water. It probably landed on water.
No, it's way more disgusting than that.
I know you're lying, Project Zorgo. Go ahead. Throw it at me. I'm ready to be splashed in water. Go ahead. It's poop. Easy. This is not funny, Project Zorgo. This is disgusting.
It landed on poop. That's what you deserve, poopy head.
Hey, shut up, Project Zorgo. Game Master doesn't like being laughed at.
Well, you're not the Game Master anymore. Now you're poopy head. Poopy head.
It's your turn. I can't wait to get you, Project Zorgo.
Shut up, poopy head.
Go have a seat, Project Zorgo. Your turn is coming. I'm gonna get you dead.
Ew, get away from me, poopy head. You stink.
Go have a seat, Project Zorgo. Let's see what you get. You might be poopy head too.
Ew, back with me. Seriously, Game Master, you stink.
Let's see what you get now, Project Zorgo.
Well, what did it land on?
Your turn has finally come. You may call me Poopy Head, but you're gonna be called something much worse.
What could be worse than poop?
The exact opposite. I hope you're ready, Project Zorgo. You're about to stink too. What do you have to say now? Poopy Head?
This is just water. Definitely just water, poopy head.
Water? How is that possible? What? How is this possible? It landed on PP, not water. No!
I guess you're still poopy head. Go ahead, it's your turn now. Okay, go ahead, it's your turn.
No!
Game Master, it's the only way. I'm not gonna make fun of you anymore. Just go.
Really?
Yes, I'll stop, Game Master. Now go.
Fine, very well then. I'm gonna go. The Game Master is a man of honor.
Yeah, you are, poopy head.
What'd you say?
Nothing. Sit down. Let's see what you get. You ready, poopy head?
Shut up, Project Zorgo. He said you wanna make fun of me.
Okay. It landed on water too, don't worry, it's gonna clean you off.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes. So who's the real loser now? Project Zorgo.
Oh no, you got water? That means you're gonna win.
Go ahead, Project Zorgo. Wash me off. Where's Here's the water. Go ahead. Do it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, baby, wash me off, baby. Wash me off. I'm gonna put my head right here.
Good idea.
Hey, that's not water.
You got eggs, loser.
Project Zorgo. You said it's not water.
I guess I'm a liar.
How dare you deceive the Game Master?
Now you're goofy and eggy. What's wrong? Did you want it scrambled instead?
Shut up, Project Zorgo.
Now you double stink. Ew. Hey, stay away from me.
Guess what, Project Zorgo? It's your turn. Time for you to get what you finally deserve. Now go have a seat. You will get what you finally deserve. You're about to get soaking wet.
Yeah, we'll see if you can even aim this time.
Focus, Game Master. Focus, you got this. You always win. You get whatever you want, Game Master.
Except for Rebecca.
Shut The time has come, Project Zorgo. Let's see what you get. Prepare yourself, Project Zorgo. You're about to meet your maker. But listen, it's about to get sticky.
Oh no! You broke it!
What? No, where's the slime? What is going on? No! No!
It doesn't work anymore!
What? How is that possible? No, I just hit you. That's not fair. Bayz, that's not fair.
I guess the challenge is over and I'm the winner!
No, that's not possible. That's not fair. Let me see this. Why isn't this working? Why isn't this working?
Oh my god. Okay guys, so clearly the Game Master did not win this round. Every single time he won, but this time I guess it goes to Project Zorgo. You guys need to let me know in the comments down below who you think won. I don't think the Game Master wants me to proceed in this, but if you guys want a round 2, I want this to reach 800 likes, guys. 800 likes and I'll do a part 2 of the dunk tank challenge, but I'll make them drink the baby potion before they actually proceed. So guys, let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below, and more importantly, I want you all to tell me what challenge I should do next with Project Zorgo and the Game Master. It's not about me, it's about the Savage Army. So you guys need to let me know in the comments below. And also guys, I'm gonna be starting the shoutouts back again. That's right guys, I'm gonna be starting Instagram shoutouts and then YouTube shoutouts as usual. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to smash that like button. Let me know what you guys thought. It's your boy Bayz. I will see you all next time. Peace out.